5 Best Stock Tanks, How I Transformed My Backyard with the Best Stock Tanks. While they may be intended for feeding animals like horses and cattle, stock tanks are versatile enough to act as planters, ice coolers, dog baths, hay tubs, storage bins, chick brooders, and even backyard swimming pools. Whether you're looking for a durable steel model or a flexible plastic one, our comprehensive selection is designed to help you find the right style and size to suit your needs. When users buy our independently chosen editorial choices, we may earn commissions to help fund the Reviewparks. Number 1 Barron's Oval Tub. Number 2 Bell & Country ST. Crazy Sale.
People always say, do what you love what you do. Get up early and put your heart and soul into it. Make sure your equipment moves you ahead and keeps you dreaming. Tackle any job, big or small. But most importantly, enjoy it. It's our land, our country. Farmers, caretakers, ranchers. The possibilities are endless.
Number 3 Stock Water Tank.
The Little Giant Trough-O-Matic float valves automatically control the water level for most plastic and metal stock tanks, troughs, barrels, and pans. Each model flows up to 245 gallons per hour and operates at pressure between 20 and 50 psi. They accept a standard 3/4 inch garden hose. The first model is the Trough-O-Matic stock tank float valve with plastic housing. The popular rugged plastic housing is molded from high-grade polystyrene for added strength and durability. This float valve is also available with an aluminum housing with nylon orifice. Also available with mounting brackets to fit tank rims up to 2 inches thick and 4.32 inches wide. Another model of choice is the Little Giant Trough-O-Matic with anti-siphon float valve. The anti-siphon feature complies with the basic back siphoning regulations, made with the popular rugged plastic housing molded from high-grade polystyrene for added strength and durability. Comes with expansion brackets to fit tank rims up to 2 inches thick and 4.32 inches wide. Also available in aluminum housing with nylon orifice.
Number 4 Land Guard Galvanized. Crazy Sale. Number 5 Land Guard 8 x 4 x 2 feet. Crazy sale,